Kitty's pregnant wife and Kitty were talking on the phone when suddenly Mrs. Kitty yelled because her water broke and she was about to have a baby. Kitty, hearing her scream, lost control of the truck he was driving and collided with another truck. Kitty's wife heard a loud bang and didn't know what to do. Luckily, the ambulance came and took her to the hospital, where she gave birth to beautiful kittens, and also discovered that through some miracle, Mr. Kitty survived the accident.